Alright, a part 2 to my previous video of true wisdom. Now, imagine that you're a candle, right? Would you light yourself up during the day in an open environment, in an open ground where there's ample sunlight? And do you think when that happens, somebody will value you? There was a story that has done a lot of rounds on social media and a lot of places where a tiger and a donkey are having an argument where the donkey says that the sky is green, right? And the tiger says no, the sky is blue. And this debate carries on for a while. This argument goes on for a while, and then they go to other animals, and they're unable to decide who the winner is of this debate. So what they do is they say that, oh, why don't you go to the lion? So the lion then and the tiger and the donkey agree that, okay, let's go to the king and let's ask him what the actual answer to this is. When they reach the lion's pride rock, as I would like to call it, the donkey then says to the lion, Your Majesty, I've been telling the tiger that the sky is green, the sky is red, whatever the color is. And he says that no, the sky is blue. Please tell him that he's wrong. The lion, without even hearing the tiger once, says, yes, donkey, you're right. And since you are right, you can go and celebrate. Now, the moment the donkey goes away, he also then tells the tiger that the tiger is banished from the jungle for about 1 year, or let's say a certain timeline. And the tiger, well, having to accept the punishment that he's been given, he only questions the king once. He says, I understand that you're upset and you're furious and I am being punished, but why did you tell the donkey that the sky is red or green and not blue? Well, you know that the sky is blue. And that's exactly when the lion said what I have said in my True Wisdom video, which is part 1 of this series, where I said that true wisdom isn't just knowing when to say, what to say. Just telling somebody that I know it all. True wisdom is also when you act like a fool so that you don't have to spend your energy convincing somebody else. So then the lion answers to this and says that I've banished you for a year because you knew that you were arguing with the donkey. And first you argued with the donkey, presumed that he would agree. Then you came here to me, wasted my time as well. Only and only to actually serve to the donkey's will and proving him wrong. And who knows that even if you were to prove him wrong, and even if I was to say that it is blue, he will actually accept it and go about with it. Alright? So you must know where to spend your energy, where to spend your time, where to spend your wisdom. Because if you're speaking or if you're saying something out of place which is of no use, you're actually wasting more than earning more. Right? Think about it.